Hi friends. Okay, I am back. I had surgery a little over 2 weeks ago. I have not been released back to work, but I've been released to do things as long as I don't overdo it. So we are here. We are going to run some errands. We're stopping at Lowe's. I don't think I'll take you with me inside just because I'm not quite there yet, but I'm going to pick up some paint for the bedroom and for the kitchen. So I will let you see what colors I get after we get home. And we are also going to start working on the bedroom, and then we'll see what else we get into. So let's get started. All right, we got our paint. I have 2 gallons for the bedroom and 1 gallon for the kitchen, all of my rollers and brushes, and we are ready to go home. Here's my floor plan and my makeshift graph paper. It's not exact, but it's pretty close. This side of our room, which is to the left, is the deck. The front room is over here, the bathroom is over here, and the outside is over here. So when I need to rearrange my room without doing it several times at once, I just like to come in and measure everything out, put it like a 1-inch square equals a 1-foot space. So like here's the bed. It's a little short, but here's the bed. So I'm going to be moving the bed from here in the bedroom. See, there's the bathroom. So this is where the bed is now, but it's going to come around to this wall where the TV is at, and then the TV is going to go on the wall where the bed is. So we're going to swap those two. Then across from the bed on this wall over here, we will put the TV console and both dressers across from the bed, nightstands on either side of the bed, and then the dog's kennels are going to go on this wall over here where the bathroom is. I have to hem up my curtains that are on my French door right here leading out to the deck and get them all washed up and ready to go so I can start that tonight. It's pretty late in the day right now, so I can't really get started on anything except I can get my husband to do his laundry. That's about it. He is still working, so maybe I'll start it for him. Anyway, this is my layout. This is the bedroom door. This is the bathroom. So this is my bedroom, and this is how it's going to look after we paint and rearrange. So this area over here where my desk used to be, my chair is still here because I don't know what to do with that stuff. But the dog kennels are going to go there, all 3, and they should fit. And then over here where my shoes are, I'm going to get rid of those, get them out of here, and I'll do that tomorrow. But for you, it'll just be in a few seconds. But this is where my husband's little shoe rack is going to go. And I want to get a big, tall mirror that like leans up against the wall, maybe for the corner or on this wall over here. And we're going to paint, and I will reveal the paint color tomorrow or the next day. This is going to be a 3 or 4 day project, I think. I have a lot of organizing, decluttering, and cleaning, dusting, dog hair, stuff like that I need to take care of. I have to find somewhere to put all my vinyl for my Cricut. It's not staying in here. These are clothes that I was going to sell, but I don't know. I think I might just donate them now. This stuff I have to go through. Honestly, like that's a pool towel. There's pajamas. I don't have a pajama drawer. I need a bigger dresser. Or maybe I should just go through my dresser and declutter. I don't know. Anyway, it's the bathroom, and this whole section is going to be emptied out. I'm going to get all of this out of here. The shoes I want to keep will go in the walk-in closet under my clothes, and that should be ready to go. So we were having trouble getting the new toilet level. So I told my husband to sit on the high spot, which is the back, and I would tighten these, and I broke the flange. And it has to be replaced. So my husband just left to go get a metal one, and we're gonna see if we can fix it. Okay, because I broke the flange, we hired a plumber. $220 to fix the flange and install a brand new toilet. So, thank you very much, Mr. Armstrong. Alright, it's been a few weeks. I have been working on my room, trying to get it ready. My surgery, I had a couple setbacks with my knee. It started buckling, and I couldn't get around like I should. But I mean, I'm just now 5 weeks post-op today, so I've been really pushing it too hard, expecting way too much out of myself. My expectations were just unrealistic. So we are going to paint our bedroom in 2 days, but right now I am working on clearing out all my shoes, and I already took care of all the vinyl and stuff yesterday. Got that out of there, moved it to the office, and well, let me show you. Okay, this is the corner where all the vinyl was, and my desk used to be here. This is stuff for the room makeover. So today I have to go through all of these shoes, set aside what I'm keeping, and donate the rest. I bagged up all the shoes that I'm going to donate. All the shoes I'm keeping are in this bin right here, and in these boxes. These are all brand new shoes. These are my winter boots. This is my iPad that I can't figure out how to use. And then these are all shoes that I haven't worn yet. So I think that's pretty good for today. I'll be back in 2 days. All right, friends, we finally made it. It's painting day. I am so excited, and we have everything pulled away from the walls in this side of the room, as you can see. We are just gonna go like section by section because we don't have space to move everything into the living room. And I don't think my knee could take it. I'm only 5 weeks post-op. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm doing it because I have been wanting my room painted for 2 years, and we've been here for a little over 2 years, and I'm ready. So let's just do this. Thank you for the cup, Leah. Let's go ahead and get this going. And oh, I have paint reveal, color reveal. I have to show you guys the color. If you didn't catch it earlier, it was just a little dot on the top of the can. But I'll go ahead and stir up the paint and show you right away. Hopefully that's stirred up. So here's the color in the can. It's gonna dry darker. What do you think? I think this big room is gonna be perfect. Let's go ahead, get the brush, and we'll clean off the lid. Here's the brush I'm using. It's an angled brush. It's angled up this way. I'm going to use this to cut in. There's your sneak peek. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm trying to decide if I want to paint the crown molding or leave it white. I feel like I want to paint it. I feel like I want to paint it. I think it would make it blend more because over there, there's a spot of crown molding that's brown instead of white. So I think I should just paint it green since I don't have the white paint. And I think it would look pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and do it. That way I only have to cut in around the ceiling. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I'm shaking. Yeah, that's gonna look really nice. I'm glad I did that. That's gonna look real nice. Here, let me bring you in closer. There we go. I think that's gonna look real nice. I'm gonna paint for a little while and then I'll turn you guys back on. I started cutting in. Our room is about to change. Oh, I love the color. Oh, I can't wait until it's all done. Okay, so we have painted 2 walls. I need to start cutting in the back wall. So we need to move all of this stuff out of the way and continue on. Okay, here's a quick glimpse at how it's looking. We're gonna have to do a second coat, but that's fine. I'm loving it so far.